The billboard is up. The bus stop is up. And sites are reporting it. Good job, guys. Making the rounds, making the noise, and proudly supporting American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. Now, guys, I get it. There's going to be those people that push back on this, and they have been. And they've been doing it for a while. Just ignore them. It's not for them. They don't have to be involved. They don't have to do anything. We don't have to respond to them. It's not for them. It's for the fans. And it's specifically for, that's one person. Debbie! Talking about how her and Snyder are so grateful for it. So that's all that matters. That's just all that matters right there. Who cares what Collider guy has to say about it? I mean, it's not for him, so fuck him. And also, guys, now that Comic-Con is officially started, it's going to get pretty nutty in the next few days, pretty much till Sunday probably. For me, later tonight, I'm going to be recording a new Film Junket podcast with Eric Blake, Hardboiled Films, to discuss all this since he helped put all this together. So we're going to be talking about that. So send your questions on Twitter using the Film Junket podcast hashtag. And then tomorrow night, I'm probably going to be doing a vodka stream. Yes, on Thursday. What are you doing, Dave? I don't know. We'll see what happens because I am going to go see Lion King. And then I'm going to try to get my review up because Friday I'm going to be gone all day. Why? Because I'm going to be headed to Whale's Vagina, San Diego. That's right. Am I going to be attending Comic-Con? Not really. I'm going to be outside Comic-Con because, well, just this idea of what I was going to do kind of was last minute. So, of course, I don't have ticket, press badge. I think registered, of course, way too late. So, that wasn't the point of this whole idea, and I wasn't sure if it was actually going to happen, but discussed it with my partner in crime, and we're going to be doing something over there. So that's going to be quite a day, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to be doing live streams and stuff, too. So be prepared for that. And then, of course, we just got nuttiness that's going to be happening on Saturday. So it's going to be pretty crazy for the next few days. And I'm looking forward to it. And we'll see what happens. So there you go, guys. Well, like I said, send your questions, Film Junket Podcast. And like I said, who gives a shit about what those guys, say, when they say the money could go somewhere. It's just, it's whatever. It's whatever. Fuck them. Like I said. Love you.